What's up, guys? Welcome to Saturday Mornings with your girl Angel Raine. Today I'll be showing you a really quick DIY using Dollar Tree items. I have a bag of seashells and a vase. I am using some Rust-Oleum metallic gold paint that I have from a previous project. Here I am laying out all of the seashells that I want to paint, and you can use any paint for this, acrylic, any color, whatever you like. I'm shaking up my paint vigorously, and I'm just gonna do small short bursts with this and really quickly, and this is sped up, making sure that I cover all of the surface of the seashells. And we're going to allow this to dry for about 30 minutes, and then we'll flip them over and follow the same technique as before. And with this, the inside of the shells are a little deep, so you don't want to spray too much paint. So just be sure to spray in even coats. Quick short bursts work well for me. Okay, so now that I've laid them out, I'm going to shake my paint again because it's been 30 minutes, and I'm just going to do some quick bursts sprays, not to overspray because the insides of the shell are deep and you don't want to have a puddle because it will show up in the paint. So, guys, this spray paint is so great. I love Rust-Oleum. Here's the vase that I'll be using, and I got this from the Dollar Tree. Again, make sure that you choose the right vase. You don't want something that's wobbly or that is defective. So now I'm just filling my vase with my little golden seashells. And guys, this is so simple and so quick. I mean, super quick. I really like how it turned out. I love how it just gives just a splash of gold with my decor, my coastal decor, and it's just shells in a vase. That's all. But I love how it turned out, and I hope you do too. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Oh, I almost forgot. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.